Respect is so important in any relationship. Do you know how can we show respect to our children? I will share 5 ideas with you of showing respect towards our kids. And this is my experience too. Number 1, listen to them when they are talking. Stop doing your work and pay attention. Just listen what they want to say. Number 2, when they are crying, don't tell them to stop crying. Instead, try to understand what they are feeling. Number 3, never say, "It is such a small thing," because for them, it may be a very big thing. Number 4, watch out your tone when you are talking to your child. Ask yourself, do I talk in this tone to other people as well? So this means you need to lower down your tone. Number 5, let them take decisions where possible. Let them choose their battles. And you should respect their decisions. Let's show our children respect so that they learn to give it too. Follow these steps and you will see a beautiful relationship evolve between you and your child. Leave a heart in the comment box if it helps.